how to enable touch keyboard and handwriting panel service in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Welcome everybody. In order to enable your touch keyboard, you want to click the search bar and search for services. There you go. Best Match should come up with the services app. Left click that. This opens up this window. In here, you want to scroll down until you get to T for touch keyboard. As you can see, PST, and then you can see touch keyboard and handwriting panel service over here. Double click that. In order to enable it, you want the startup type over here to go to automatic from manual. If the service status is not running, as it currently is for me, you click start. So you start that up, hit apply, hit OK, and your touch keyboard and handwriting panel service should be enabled. I hope this video could help you out. If it did, please like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.